Hello YouTube and hello viewers, and I am back. I am slightly unsure of why I've come back, but there's been a lot of people that have messaged me a lot since I've been off, and to be honest with you, there's quite a few reasons why I disappeared off the face of the earth. One of the big reasons is obviously you guys know that a lot of my equipment got destroyed. As you can hear, my microphone is not the same as it used to be. So unfortunately, I'm still using a headset mic, and I didn't want to really put out any content that wasn't of good quality for anybody. So I didn't want to make videos on that basis. And also there was a few comments that got to me when with my videos that I was creating. Not the fact that it upset me, but it was more of the fact that I make all this content for free, and a lot of people are just pretty much hating on the content that was there, and it kind of got to me, and I was like, why am I doing this for? Spending a lot of my own time, my spare time that I've got, and then using that to produce videos and obviously give tutorials. Now I know I kind of finished off on the 2D fighting game, and I'm sorry for those people that were following that series. It just got to me at that point, and I kind of just said I was going to give YouTube a miss. And I have been reading a lot of your comments. I've replied to a few of you that have asked for some help, not just with the fighting game, but with the 2D scroller. There's been a few questions with the online stuff, because a lot of you don't know PHP or the language that was there to write for the online servers. But I've decided to come back because, again, there's been a lot of support from you guys that a lot of you have been asking me to come back, which I've decided to come back and produce more videos. Unreal feels rather strange to me because obviously I've been away from it for a while, so obviously it's grown a lot since the last time we made some videos. So I'm going to have a look at 4.18, which is obviously the new launcher. I don't know how many of you will be using 4.18 or any older versions, but we'll move on to 4.18 just because that's where I'm going to start. As you can see on the screen, that's where I'm currently at. It's on 4.18, and I think what we're going to do is I'm going to restart the 2D fighting one, because obviously I didn't finish that series, and there were a few mistakes that I made that I think could be improved on that 2D fighter series. So I'm going to probably start that again from the beginning. One, I've lost all my files, hence why I lost my machine and all that stuff. So I'll have to start completely from fresh. So that'll be good for the series and obviously for the channel. And then a lot of people have requested for a 3D fighter, which we can look at as well. That's something we can put together if that's something you guys are interested in. So we'll look at that after the 2D scroller. So that's pretty much the plan of what's going to happen with the channel. Again, apologies for taking such a long break. I wanted to spend time with obviously family, computer problems, and there was a whole lot of issues that I had that were stopping me from creating these videos. But I'm back now, so hopefully you guys will stick around, and I can see the channel still growing, which is insane. Like I don't understand how. I mean, when I looked, it was just I was still getting subscribers and still getting views, which is insane, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. So I'm pretty much gonna end the video now because it's a bit, I don't want to yab on for ages. But obviously I've got my social media up and running, which is WazzaTuts, as you can see on the screen. If you guys want to give that a follow. I did start posting some things. I'm not the greatest at Twitter. I do try. As you can see, I posted some stuff saying it's time to return. So if you follow me on Twitter, you would have seen that, because it's time to come back, I suppose. And then obviously you're watching this on my channel, so obviously you can pick it up from there and we can see where we left off. So I will see you. I'll probably be creating some videos from the weekend, so on Saturday. So I'm going to have a play around with 4.18 until the weekend, just to get used to the UI and stuff. Maybe it's changed, because I'm not too sure what's been changed in between the different versions. So just to see if there's anything new that we can use for the series. So we'll be looking at that, and then I'll start pushing out content from Saturday. But as I say, we're going to start from the 2D side scroller series again. So we're going to start from the beginning, go through that, and hopefully you guys will take something from that. So again, thank you very much for those people that have stuck by and haven't left. I greatly appreciate that so much as someone that does videos in education. something that I really, really appreciate from everyone. So again, thanks very much, and I'll hopefully see you guys on when we start creating all the content. Razro. See you guys later. Bye.